The question is about a circular plate of diameter 100 mm, and there is a circular hole whose size is 50 mm that is being cut, and the centroid of the remainder needs to be located. So from the figure, if you observe, it is having symmetry about x-axis. If that is the case, then y bar is straight away equal to 0, and only x bar needs to be located. So the outer circle diameter is 100 mm and the inner circle diameter is 50 mm. Now area 1 will be equal to pi by 4 times of 100 square, and that is equal to pi by 4 into 10,000. So 4 ones, this will be 4 2500s. This will be 2500 pi mm square it would be. And centroid, here it is x1 equal to straight away the center of bigger circle it would be. Center of bigger circle, it is 100 by 2, and that is 50 mm. Next, A2 will be equal to pi by 4 times of 50 square it would be. So pi by 4, 50 square is 2500. So this is 4 ones, and this would be 4 624, and this will be 425s 100. So the answer comes out as 625 pi mm square. Now the x2 coordinate will be equal to, that is, I need to measure the distance, or I should first mark the distance how far the circle is from the y-axis. So the diameter is 50 mm and this distance will be 100 mm. Now here the circle is at a distance of 50 mm from the y-axis. This would be y-axis. The circle is supposed to pass through the center of that. So now here it would be 50 plus the distance of center from the circle end would be 50 by 2, that is 25. So x2 will be equal to 75 mm. Now the x bar needs to be calculated. X bar will be equal to a1 x1 minus a2 x2 divided by a1 minus a2. So a1 we have is 2500 pi into x1 is 50 minus a2 is 625 pi into x2 is 75 whole divided by, this is 2500 pi minus 625 pi. So now this upon solving, the answer comes out as 41.67 mm. That is the location of centroidal coordinate in the x direction, and for y it will be 0. So coordinates here for the lamina will be x bar comma y bar, which is 41.67 comma 0.